Well, uncertainty in one word. This is the uncertainty due to political instability, geopolitical topics, sanctions, tariffs, you name it, right? And to how to react to these kind of uncertainties, I think is super difficult right now for everyone because we're all exposed to one of these uncertainties one way or the other. And I think supply chains specifically, as they are much more complex than they were, 20, 30 years ago, are super exposed to these kind of uncertainties. And I think supply chains have to become anti-fragile, right? What we call. So there is no more real just-in-time and just-in-sequence for manufacturing. It's more a just-in-case, how to react to the next uncertainty and how flexible, how adaptable your supply chain is. Data provides us insights beyond the obvious, right? And data, if you pair it rightly with experience and you embed both into your processes, you make better and more sustainable decisions. Data can, in the end, be a competitive advantage, again, if harvested, if governed, and if orchestrated in the proper way. We are still in our beginnings of really using the data and providing transparency, embedding that into our processes. But we have already seen, and this is the positive side of it, that if our buyers, supplier managers are using the data and the transparency that we provide them, they get more insights and they can take better decisions. So it's an instant reward, right? And this helped us a lot in overcoming mindset challenges that we had, because in the beginning it was like, oh, your data doesn't help me, right? I already knew this before. Or your data is like throwing a harpoon into, a ton of fish and you hope you get one, right? To overcome this, you need to prove with use cases that finally data helps you to make those decisions. And I think we had a couple of very good use cases so that we're overcoming now these challenges.